Hi guys, good morning. This message is from earthly masculine to the earthly feminine through the divine masculine. So, what divine masculine is showing to the earthly feminine is actually feeling very unworthy of herself, because what she feels is she wants complete ultimate freedom, and at present moment she wants at least physical freedom. She wants to go out and she wants to be by herself. She wants to be stay by herself, just earn by herself and live by herself. She wants to breathe the air of freedom. But what she's feeling is she does not have financial stability even to step out of the house wherever she's staying. Either it's a husband's house or a parent's house. So now she's thinking only if she makes herself eligibly for financial freedom, she can go out and she can live whatever she wishes for. Okay, so now just because she does not have that financial freedom, financial stability, she feels she is very unworthy. Okay, and whichever crowd she is staying now, so she's staying whether it's college old friends, or whether it's a house relative circle. So she feels like, see, for my age, they all have reached to this stage and they have reached a certain level of life. They have their own house, they have good cloth things to wear, and they have a very good hi-fi status, they have a very good recognition. So they are well known in the circle, because I don't have any of these things. And if I go on streets also, nobody knows me. I don't earn well, I don't have that self-confidence in me. And I don't even know any technology or how to live in this society without fear. So this is all these thinkings are making her feel unworthy of herself. So at this point, now what divine masculine is showing her is, this is what earthly masculine is also reflecting back to her. So earthly masculine is also not giving commitment to the earthly feminine, is because he also reflects the same core value of unworthiness. So earthly masculine is like he has got lots of how to tell orthodox house pattern. All the family in his all the people in his family are very orthodox thinking family, and he has a siblings. He feels like, if I break all this orthodox pattern, if I break all the social conditioning pattern, all our religious, because twin flames are both are of different religious. Okay, so if I break all this religious pattern and if I go against my family only to live with my twin flame, it is okay. I'm standing for my own wish, I'm standing for my own deep desire, that is all okay. But when I go for this, all my siblings will be affected, because they're to whom they are married, even if it's going to be a sister, it will affect more her, because that person, that man will question my sister a lot. So thinking all this, so I'm not worthy enough to make, if in the same mindset and if in the same family situation, if I go and talk to her about physical union, I'm not even able to think about physical union now. So he also feels I'm unworthy of physical reunion at the present moment. So what feminine is feeling, same core value is being reflected by the earthly masculine also. So when the earthly feminine gets clarity and resolves her unworthiness issue into I'm worthy of it, I'm worthy of physical union, masculine also, earthly masculine also will resolve it and will also think about taking steps of reunion, thinking he is worthy of the reunion. So this is what is the message conveyed to you today. So let us see in tomorrow's message. Until then, bye.